Hi everyone. Today at Marie's page, we have new toys that we got from Target. It is Sean's graduation, so we bought him. So he got $20 and he bought himself some toys. And also it's William's graduation from preschool. And he graduated from kindergarten. Say hi to me.
Hi. Hi.
So now they will open the boxes. They're gonna open the new toys. What's inside, Sean? Let's see what you have. You should have to show it to me. What is that? Show it to me. You got a what? A Thomas! Is that Thomas? Who is this guy?
Oh, that one I wanted. This one is my bag, actually. This one, I got the different bag, actually.
Very good. You got two different kinds. And who is this guy? Show it to me. What's his name?
I think his name is Thomas.
And who is this guy, William? The red one is who?